Right, Owen, 68 last week, 2 marks off a guaranteed C. Let's see if you can nail that golden 70 this week. Right, you've done a little typo on your calculator there, because that should be £169.40. So you lose a mark there. 5% of 168.40, let's check. £8.42, good. Meters, litres, you can't give me a choice, and miles is wrong because miles isn't metric. Okay, kilograms correct. Now, so you're going to get 3 there. Let me just correct your spelling. Meters is RE, litres is LITRES. Okay, you won't lose the marks for that misspelling them. Right, 60 is a little bit high. You started showing me your method, but that is less than half, so it shouldn't be counted. Alright, I need to see dots in all the things that you are counting. That's a little bit too high. I'm going to give you 1 out of the 2 for that, because I can't see what you've decided to include and what you haven't. 3, 6, 8, 9 for the page. Right, that one's in the wrong place. If you take a look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares that side of the mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares that side of the mirror. That one's in the right place, that one's in the right place. And your curve is not coming from the right place either. It needs to be coming more like that. So I don't think I can give you either mark for that. Cylinder, pentagon, prism is not enough. You have to tell me that it's a triangular prism. Cylinder is spelled with a Y. So 2 marks for that. Radius, chord, tangent. Well done. Glad you rubbed those out. So 6 there. That one's wrong, that one's right, that's right, that's right, that's wrong. Now, this is a calculator allowed paper, so the fraction button is your friend. If you type those into your calculator, so let's start with the first one, so that's the fraction button. 10 over 25, which is that one. If you press equals, it'll turn it into its simplest form. So that's 2 out of 5. If you then press the SD button, it turns it into a decimal. So you can see that that is 0.4. If you repeat that for all the others, you'll find the other 2. Okay, so you get 1 mark for that. You get 1 mark for that. For this, you get 1 mark because it is 6 out of 15. But again, if we put 6 out of 15 on our calculator, you'll see that it's 2/5, not 3/5. So you lose that mark. 6, 9 for the page. That's correct, that's correct, that's well done, good. 7 for that side. You times the number by 4 each time, yes you do, but it's asking for it in words. You've got to be careful with this. Now I've mentioned this a few times in class. The 6 and the V in algebra have a times between them, but we don't write it in because it would look like 6xv. But as soon as you replace that letter with a number, you have to put the times in. So it's not 75 take away 68, it's 75 take away 6 eighths of 48, which is 27. 45x is correct. We've done one like that this week, so you should be able to do that now. That is correct, and 48 is correct there. Total for the page, 7, 12. 45, 61.5. Now then, this one, if there are 2 in the middle, you have to find the halfway point. Okay, now to go from 59 to 62 is another 3, so halfway is going to be 1.5. 59 and 1.5 is 60.5. So that's what they're looking for, the answer. These you got the wrong way round. Okay, if you think about it, if £1 is 190, buys you 119 euros, £2 will buy you twice as much, 238. £3, 3 times as much, £1,200, 1,200 times as much. And then when you're going the other way, you have to do the opposite, which is dividing. So can't give you any marks for that. 5 for the page. This is wrong. I'll go through it in class. That's correct, that's correct. Good, 6 good marks earned there. I'll go through these in class. That's correct. And that's well done, that's good. Now then, 10, yeah, so you haven't actually done the maths for that. So what you need to do there is, you know that the first 10 cost 10 times £1.50 equals £15. The difference is going to be at £2. So the rest is going to be £2 times, and then if that had been 30 cubic meters, it would be 30 take away 10, but it's x cubic meters, so you've got to do x take away 10 like that. Multiply out the bracket and you get 2x take away 20. So the total cost will be 2x take away 20 plus the 15 plus the £4 standing charge. So you're take away negative 20, you're adding 19, you end up there. 9 for the page. Take a look how I explain that one on the video clip. That's good, that's good. No, as they are all scattered. Yeah, that's good enough. 5 for the page. Now then, this one, you just haven't answered the question. And if you watch my video clip, you'll see that I made the same mistake as you. In order to find out how much it's lost, depreciated, lost over the 2 years, you either add up the 432 and the £354.24, or you take that away from that. So it's lost £786.24. You've done all the hard work, but you haven't answered the question. Well done, that's very good. So 6 for the page. So what did I say your previous best was? 68. Don't think you're going to get 68, but let's see. 9, 11, 20, 32, 37, 43, 52, 57, 63. Whoa, close. So that is a borderline DC. I'm going to say it's a D. I'm going to say it's 7 marks from a C. Okay, now you will easily find those 7 marks. There's 1, 2, 3 you've lost on the first page alone. So if you go through and look at what you got wrong, you'll easily find those 7 marks yourself. So that is encouraging, Owen. Well done, you're nearly there.